Hello students, this is our sixth point, reaction of alkyl halide with AgCN. Just dissociate your AgCN, you will get Ag plus Cn minus 1. In this case, cyanide group is attached through nitrogen, so we get RNC, that is isocyanide. And this is a difference in cyanide and isocyanide. If attachment take place through carbon, then it is called nitrile or cyanide. If attachment take place through nitrogen, it is called isocyanide or it is called isonitrile. So very simple. With the use of KCN or NaCN, we get cyanide. But with the use of AgCN, we will get isocyanide. So very simple reaction. Reactions of alkyl halide. Topic 6. Isocyanide from alkyl halide. We have alkyl halide, general formula Rx. And Rx when treated with AgCN, you know, this halogen gets substituted by Cn and byproduct we are getting is AgX. But remember students, whenever we are using AgCN, attachment take place through nitrogen and therefore it is called alkyl isocyanide. Here we have methyl iodide or iodomethane. When iodomethane is treated with AgCN, AgI will come out and cyanide substitute I minus 1. And it is a nucleophilic substitution. But remember students, attachment take place through nitrogen. So through nitrogen, it is going to attach with this carbon. And therefore, the name of this compound is methyl isocyanide. It's not cyanide. वो cyanide के जैसा है, but not cyanide. Therefore, it is called methyl isocyanide or methyl carbylamine, which on reduction gives secondary amine, dimethylamine, common name, or N-methyl methanamine. So rule number 1, consider longest chain. So methyl group is attached to nitrogen, therefore it is N-methyl methanamine. So very simple. Here we have cyanide and here we have isocyanide. So right now just I am combining equation 5 and equation 6. Students, it is a cyanide and negative charge on carbon. When we are adding NaCN or KCN, it will attach through carbon because this carbon carry negative charge and then it is called cyanide. But if we are using AgCN, negative charge on this nitrogen, if through nitrogen it is attached, then it is called isocyanide. So here one definition. Such nucleophile which have more than one site through which the reaction can occur are called ambident nucleophile. So very simple definition of ambident nucleophile. Cyanide can attach through carbon as well as cyanide can attach through nitrogen. Over here, this negative charge is present on carbon and act as a nucleophile. While when we are using AgCN, negative charge on this nitrogen, a nucleophilic attack take place from this atom. So in a same molecule, we have two different sites. One is carbon and another one is nitrogen. So here I am repeating the definition. Such nucleophile which have more than one site through which the reaction can occur are called ambident nucleophile. Very easy topic, students. Thank you. Please read it.